Kum ki jing beteng ki pulit ban talasi ki thuk arshaka ki bapen khynnah ha surok ba klem da pong ye ki helmet bat don ye ki license babiang ki pulit ka Nongpoh Police Station traffic branch mynta Haka Sngi Blei kila talasi biang ye ki thuk arshaka nadu men step hadu mynta ka janmiet bat lap shibun ki patba ki ba klem buram ya ka an jong ka motor vehicle act ka ba bu jingma ya ka jingim jongki bat kumjuh jong kiwei bat nakaliang ki pulit kila dan kunalot ye ki patba ki ba pen khynnah Naka liang ki pulit mynta Haka Sngi Blei kila pynap shrip ya ki Samla ki baju mlien ban pynher sted ya ki thuk bat Pynlong Jaka Stunt ha Surok ba National Highway Haka Sngi Blei bat yo bat Shi Kynhun ki khynnah Samla ki baju mlien ban yale ya katei kakam haka thaiñ Jyntru da ka babu jingma ya ka jingim lade bat kiwei kumjuh namar ka Surok ba kamde ka jaka lekai kini ki khynnah ki deibawan na nongba Shillong ki pulit ka Nongpoh Police Station kila rano ikiti ki Samla shathanat bat kentu kan pam yaki bakim dei bandang mlien ban le kai ha Surok ba namar ka jingma yaki bat kiwei kabala banwan ra ka jingmen saw bat ka jing jabas ngosi bat kani ka long ka jingmana yaki wei ban buram yaki anya kali bat banum Pynlong Jaka le kai ha Surok ba
If they fall down and they get little hurt, na, I have to get pain here. So just keep it in mind. Okay? The thing you are doing is risking your life. You are risking your life. Okay? Please, it's my request to you all. You all are my like small brother. Please don't risk your life. It's very dangerous. Okay? You feel sorry or not for whatever you are doing? Okay. So it's my request again. Don't ever do these things in the road. This is a highway, you know, no? Daily there are accidents are going on. Daily. You are risking your life like anything. You think your mother, father, how much they are working hard to rise you up. They are giving you good studies. Whatever you want, they are giving you, no? By doing these things, not only you are risking your life, but you are risking your mother, father's life also. Okay? Don't ever do these things. I'll leave you all with a warning. But please, my request to you all, don't ever do these things. Okay?
Seperti kumjuh kiamut banler sing hakanor kom. Hiayo permission now DC now SP ba pile racing hane ka National Highway jongga National 6. Hiayo permission. Hello ni yang permission now DC now SP jongga riboy. Ba pile racing mynta Haka Sngi hane po National 6 po riboy jongi. Dan mayo em ti balai phi le khem go order khem go kum jong ki bahe bahan phi simrik sala jong ba ime pa ju phi ithit ka ba sputi om ba phin le nya rising hane ka Surok ba ithit ba phin le don kam he cha class he cha school he cha ki kam ki jam ju phi waman kasi om ba ime pa ju phi bakin thit ya kane ka ba sputi ba phin le ya kane racing hane Surok belai penting ya kami ya jingim lajong ya kami sim lajong kapor jing pi kadang bun belai pi maju perkat email pa pi men pra je pi la raja ba pi or pi hap pi ko mano ban jenjar ki pulit ne jenjar ki bahinga sem email pa ne kira ju perkat alis pi perkat kamdam kila di kena student ngau nak kerana start kuno pidang lebih claim permission pi hinut man simrik balik racing hapo National Highway 6 jongi omdei pile mentasi ngathai ka complain ga poi chaduk ki bahe skor ki bahe namar ki bahe sapha ini ban le duty ban kem ya kino ba pen khynnah ga figrol kamtam balik racing claim ka permission now DC but SP te phimyo kuno phila ban le mano ba ibor ipi banle racing hane National Highway mano ibor ipi kelio now OC now IC traffic ne bat na kiwi ki briu jongga an kilayo ki permission banle racing mentasi pitip ayo dale racing fi kan jai no kadon ka jingma ya pi artat bat ik nong let nywan kamtam gi khulung khynnah temen gi kro kiba kro surok kiba surok kiba don besyong yang harus surok piju perkat ada pi perkat jin pindal not ben lek kong ini ikam himnut kayong ma permission don uno ban lek racing ban lek formula ban lek dakabor lajong ban china dakabor lajong judon kidon kipor ke bro belada le racing ngidon kam ka permission now SP now DC kata kiladan ki program kata kapor dapi mensaur kidon nginong pek kidon nginong sumar kidon ng adawai hanay kumpunta si pisimrik salah jong kajing simrik si kalong bakla sibun pan kita mayong yai me ipai bing sem nan para kamta mingi plit traffic bari pek nam ta jong pi bari nam ta jing pi ni hab be tang si accident ni hab be ni hab mare ni hab lira ya pa mensau na kaspot cha hospital pitip je jingi nadu blim step ndru je ngiwan menyada nam ta ban yada accident na surok namar bala jelai than accident ndre pi pimju perkat ada apa ini pinang kena hemban dapan sabiru depan dah ada korban ai sabi ner piong baleng ngam ai sabi kali junga hoi kali pi ngawan man pe pi de om mangawan bom ne man syok man tit man kroi pi kumba tuai ba na pleng belakren manya melo do chale ninga de usar ngam de wong mangan wan ban nyom beng ne ban nyon beng pi de ngapek yang tak pha ka net jong pi ban khang ban ida nam tak accident